Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update globally. The update is now live for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series in the United States, marking the beginning of the wider international rollout. After debuting in South Korea last week, One UI 8.5 is now expanding to users across the US and other regions. According to Tipster CID on X, the stable update is now available for Galaxy S25 users in the US. The firmware comes with version numbers S938USQ9CZDP and S938UOYN9CZDP. The update size is around 4408 MB and also includes the April security patch. At the same time, many users on X have confirmed under posts by Tarun Bats that they are now receiving the stable One UI 8.5 update on their Galaxy S25 devices. After months of waiting, May 11 officially marks the start of the global rollout. Samsung initially released the update in Korea on May 6, and it is now gradually expanding worldwide. Regions expected to receive the update soon include Europe, Hong Kong, India, Latin America, North America, Southeast Asia, and Taiwan. More countries and carriers will follow as the rollout continues. Right now, the Galaxy S25 series, Galaxy Z Fold 7, and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are leading the rollout phase, with many more Galaxy devices expected to join in the coming days and weeks. Once the update becomes available in your region, you can install it manually by going to Settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. If you were part of the One UI 8.5 beta program, you will receive a smaller update since it mainly converts your device from beta to stable. However, users upgrading directly from One UI 8 can expect a much larger update of several gigabytes. As always, Samsung is rolling out the update in phases, so it may take a few days or even weeks before One UI 8.5 reaches all eligible Galaxy devices across different regions and carriers. What are your thoughts on the One UI 8.5 rollout? Let me know in the comments section. More Galaxy phones just joined One UI 8.5. Samsung has officially confirmed One UI 8.5 eligibility for even more Galaxy devices. Earlier this week, the company started rolling out the stable update in Korea, while the wider global rollout is expected to begin on May 11. The earlier announcement mainly focused on Samsung's latest flagship devices. These included the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup, Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Tab S11 series, and the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup. Now Samsung Germany has expanded the list by confirming 20 additional Galaxy devices that will also receive the One UI 8.5 update in the coming weeks. Starting with the Galaxy S series, Samsung confirms support for Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. Moving to the foldable lineup, the following devices are now officially eligible: Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung has also confirmed the update for the Galaxy Tab S9 lineup, including Galaxy Tab S9, Tab S9 Plus, and Tab S9 Ultra. Meanwhile, several mid-range Galaxy S series phones are also joining the rollout list. These include Galaxy A15, A16, A17, A25, A26, A34, A35, A36, A54, A55, and A56. Samsung still hasn't shared an exact rollout timeline for these newly confirmed devices. However, it's highly likely that these phones and tablets will start receiving the update after Samsung completes the first rollout phase for its latest flagship lineup. The company appears to be moving quite aggressively with One UI 8.5 this year, and more Galaxy devices could join the list very soon as the rollout expands globally. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments section.